Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone photo a PDF. If you want to convert an iPhone photo to a PDF, follow these easy steps. First method is using the Files app. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Choose the photo you want to convert. Tap the Share button. Then choose Save to Files and choose a folder. So I choose Downloads. Then hit Save. Open the Files app and locate the saved image. Long press the image. Tap on Quick Action and choose Create PDF. The PDF will be saved in the same folder. You can now share, rename, or move the PDF as needed. Last method, using the print option. If you don't want to use the Files app, you can open the Photos app, choose the image, and tap Share. Then tap the Choose to Print. Tap Share again in the top right, and choose Save to Files. Then tap Save again to save the PDF. Now, your photo is successfully converted into a PDF. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.